Do you want to live in the heart of Cary? This is one ranch single-family home in Kildare Farm community. You're close to everything, you have the beautiful trees around, and you have your own ranch home here. Let's go inside and take a look. From the porch you open, you can see this one big piece, great rooms. The guest room, family room, and the kitchen and dining area all together. The kitchen features granite countertops, L-shaped working station, and you have your French door refrigerator, tile backsplash, range hood to vent outside. All the cabinets are in good shape. Turn around, and then this one is the open concept of the main living area. See that how bright the home it is? This is the afternoon, so you can see that all the lights coming through it. And the bay window here, it can be your study area, it can be your afternoon tea nook. And check out this TV wall, it's kind of like a little Oasis wall feeling. Also, you will have the storage, the built-in cabinets next to it. All the furniture will move out if you don't need it. The whole house are featured hardwood flooring throughout the house. And when you come to here, you have your primary bedrooms. See, it's backing a beautiful private wood. Coming through here is the big closet with custom shelves. And then past the closet, welcome you is the spacious primary bathroom with 2 windows on both sides. All the woods and trees provide you a private and nice view. And there's another windows over there. And jacuzzi tub, and a large shower area. This one also features 2 sinks, vanities. They are all tiled. Let's take a look at the windows again. The house is very bright and it's ranch, just 1 story. The ranch features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Just now we check out the primary bathroom, and then let's take a look at the 2 secondary bedrooms. You have your laundry closets here. On the left side is the first secondary bedroom. You see that? You have 2 windows. Now this is facing the front. Again, all the furniture can be removed if you don't need it. And next to it is another secondary bedrooms, kind of like a mirror symmetrical of that one, a similar size, and also has 2 side windows. At the end of the hall is the secondary bathrooms, 1 vanity, and then you have your shower tub here. Also, it has windows. Back in here, this one is a small storage next to the laundry closets. Another storage closet here. And you have to check out the large deck. It's so spacious, and surrounding is the beautiful green woods. It's kind of like a cozy oasis in the heart of Cary. Maybe you will see some deers and animals. This one is a fence lot, so you will have your fence around your property. If you like, there is a little planter area at the front of the house, and then you could do some little planting. Just across the street, you can see a lot of amenities, tennis court, fields, activity fields, all here in Kildare Farm communities. See how beautiful the neighborhood it is?